Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an honest review of Life360 in 2025. Whether you are considering the free version or one of the paid plans, I'll break down the pros, cons, and everything you should know before deciding which one is worth it. And for now, let's get started. What is Life360? Life360 is a family safety and location sharing app. At its core, it lets you create private groups called circles where you can see each other's real time locations, get alerts, and stay connected. Over the years, it's grown from just a family tracker into a full safety platform with driving reports, emergency assistance, and even identity theft protection. Free plan. So let's start with the free version. Here's what you get in 2025. Number one, real time location sharing for family members. 2 days of location history. Basic place alerts, like when someone arrives at home or school. Limited driving reports. The free plan works well for families who just need the basics, simple check ins, making sure kids get home safe, or staying in touch while traveling. But the main drawback, it is very limited, especially when it comes to history and advanced safety features. Paid plans. Now let's look at the paid options, which come in three tiers. Silver plan, around $7.99 a month, 7 days of location history, unlimited place alerts, crash detection, and emergency dispatch. Gold plan, about $14.99 a month, 30 days of location history, full driving reports with speed, phone usage, and hard braking, roadside assistance, and emergency support. Platinum plan, roughly $24.99 a month, everything in gold, plus identity theft protection, 24/7 emergency dispatch, travel support like stolen phone coverage, and disaster response. The main advantage of paid plans is peace of mind. If you have teen drivers, the crash detection, roadside assistance, and detailed driving reports are big selling points. But if you just need location sharing, it might feel overpriced. Pros and cons. Now let's quickly cover the pros and cons. First, let's start with the pros. Number one, you have reliable real-time tracking, useful driving safety features. Emergency support can be a lifesaver. Works across iPhone and Android seamlessly. Cons. Paid plans are pretty expensive. Free version is limited. Some families feel it is a little invasive. Battery drain is still an issue if location sharing is always on. Free versus paid. So who should you go with, free or paid? If you are just looking for a way to stay connected, check locations, and get simple alerts, the free plan is perfectly fine. If you have teen drivers or want extra layers of safety like crash detection and roadside assistance, the gold plan is probably the sweet spot. The platinum plan is only worth it if you also want identity theft protection bundled in. So that is my honest review of Life 360 in 2025. It is one of the most complete family safety apps out there, but whether you should pay depends on your needs. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.